Why isn't this recording? What's happening? Oh, it is. Hey guys, hey, welcome back. Happy Tuesday, friends. My hoodie is like falling off of my head. It's rainy, it's cold, it's 42 degrees in the old Michigan. What do I have for my lunch today? Well, I got a smorgasbord. Is that how you say that word? Either way, let's show you. I got so many things because my plan is to start eating more. I've had a couple of people say, like, why do you not eat that much at lunch? Actually, I'm not like really hungry, like super hungry at lunch, because my like bulletproof coffee keeps me kind of full. Sorry if it's loud in here. I have my heat on because I'm freezing. But yeah, my coffee in the morning keeps me full. And I'm never really hungry at lunch, but I would like to try to eat more at lunch, so maybe then I won't get those cravings so later in the day or want to eat so much at dinner time. So this is what I've brought. Tiffany and I made some egg salad. So it's just eggs. I didn't put anything fancy in it. Just hard-boiled eggs, mayo, and mustard, paprika, salt, pepper. This is probably maybe like a 4th cup. I should have measured that. And then I realized that this entire time I've been saying 1 serving of olives and having 14, and now I misread it, and it 4 olives is 1 serving. Now, is it really gonna matter? No, not much. Because I was actually putting in my carb manager 14 olives, so I was still getting the correct measurements. I was just telling you guys the wrong thing. So I have 2 servings of olives, 8 olives, and I have 1.5 pickles. Fancy. And then I have 4 ounces of celery. I'm trying to use my food scale. It sucks, but hey, I'm working on it. 2 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese and 2 tablespoons of French onion dip. And then 1/2 a serving, because 2 servings, or 1 serving is 2 of these. I can't remember what these were. I hauled them in my grocery haul. I'm not sure if that has come out yet. I think it has. But they're just these little smokehouse sausages, and there's like 2 links is 1 carb. And so I just have 1, and I cut it up so it could go with my cheese. So that's it. And then I just have my water. And so that's what's for lunch today. And then for dinner tonight, we're going to probably have like chicken thighs, and I'll make some sort of side, maybe some cauliflower rice or something. I'm not sure. Broccoli. I think I have fresh broccoli and fresh cauliflower. So we'll see. But yep. I hope you guys are having a fabulous Tuesday. Fantasticulous. I don't know if this fits into this little update, but we'll go ahead and put it in here. I went on a jog last night, like a run. I was feeling kind of like crappy about myself and just like upset with my body and disappointed that like I'm not getting enough sleep, and even though I'm not tired, but like I don't have time to let like the water weight come off. I wake up in the morning so early and I go to bed so late, and I'm only getting 5 hours of sleep a night. And I mean, I'm not exhausted, but I don't know, maybe my body's fine with 5 hours of energy, but you know, I've been teeter-tottering the same 4 pounds. Like I went all the way down to 240.8, and then I'm back up to 244, and then I'll be at 243, and then I'll be at 241. And usually after my period, then that, you know, I hit my lowest, and it didn't happen this time. I've just been kind of going back and forth on water weight. So I was mad, and I decided to go for a jog last night, and it felt so good. It felt right. It felt good. It made me happy. It made me calm. It was amazing. I took Link with me. We did a little jog. We were probably gone for like, it wasn't long, maybe like 15 minutes. I didn't exactly have the proper gear on, you know, I had flip-flops on, but whatever, I still did it. And I want to do that. As long as weather permits, I would love to do that. And so if you have recommendations for Bluetooth earbuds, like a good pair that stays in when jogging, let me know, because I feel like if I had that and was able to listen to music, I might do it longer. That's my goal. And I wasn't tired. Like, I wasn't like exhausted and out of breath, and it just felt so good. I never thought that I would say that it felt good to run, but it felt so good. A very addictive feeling. Like, I want to do that again. Anyways, end of that. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Hey, it is Tuesday, dinner time, and I am making the kids some chicken thighs. I was going to eat chicken thighs, but just really not in the mood. You know, I don't know. I'm trying to make myself eat. I probably won't even eat this, but I don't know. Just not in the mood. Anyways, I made a Real Good pizza from Real Good Pizza Company in the air fryer. So I'm excited to try this. I've never cooked it in the air fryer. So if you've never had Real Good pizza, I think it's 4 net carbs. So here it is. This is what it looks like when you cook it in the air fryer. I like this way better. I think that it's like the because the crust is made of chicken, and so the crust gets a little bit crunchier and everything. I kind of burned it a little bit, but that's okay because I like burnt cheese. So this is it. Maybe eat half of it, not sure, but yep, that's it. Hey guys, hey, happy Wednesday. Show you real quickly. I gotta call my boyfriend, so I'm gonna show you real quickly what I brought today. 1 serving of the pumpkin seeds. Don't know if I'm gonna eat it. 2 tablespoons of the French onion dip. 2 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. 4 ounces or grams. 4 grams? 4 ounces. I forget if this was grams or ounces. Whatever it was yesterday. Celery. Basically 2.5 stalks. And then a chicken thigh. Cold. That's gonna suck. The microwaves were completely full and busy. So, did I even remember to get a fork? Yes, I did. Okay. That's lunch. Bye. Hey guys, it's Wednesday night. This is what's for dinner. I've been watching Keto Diamond every day for the past 6 months eat her little hamburger salads, and it looked delicious. So guess what? I made one today. It's just hamburger meat, seasoned it with some hamburger seasoning and some garlic and onion on some just regular lettuce with some cheddar cheese and 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing. I also had 4 of these. Guilty pleasure. Seen these at Aldi. Haven't seen them in forever. Always see the Countess of Low Carb getting these, and I was like, oh my god, girl, yes, this is here. So I bought it and I ate 4. Hey guys, hey, it's Thursday. One more day till the day is done. Work has been slowing down. First time in 2 years that it's been this slow, but that's all right. My friend moved back in. He needed a place to stay, so we have that going on. It was a really busy day yesterday with getting a new bed for my daughter from a coworker. So work is slowing down. Day was busy. I did still get out and walk Link for a little bit. It was cold. It's rainy today, but it's warmer, but still I'm cold. And I'm gonna show you what I brought for lunch. So 4 ounces of celery again. I'm liking the celery right now, so it fills me up. Actually, 2 tablespoons of the French onion dip. I made a salad. Just some butter lettuce, which is 1 serving. I think was 4 ounces was 1 serving, or 3 ounces. Either way, 1 serving of butter lettuce, 1 serving of the Hormel mini pepperonis, and then 2 tablespoons of the buffalo ranch. Then I have 2 ounces of cheddar cheese and 1 serving of the smokehouse sausage. And then I think I still have, because I didn't eat them yesterday, the pumpkin seeds. So that's what I'm having. Yeah, yesterday was a really good eating day for me. I felt happy about it. I had a lot of stuff left over and I felt very full and satiated. I'll probably be making that cheeseburger salad a lot more. Like if the kids don't want it, whatever, I can prep that for myself and eat that. It's so quick and easy, and it was really delicious. And you can eat it different ways. Like you could put ketchup and mustard on that. You could put whatever, keto friendly sauce you want to put on it. But the meat and then the lettuce, that's good. So yeah, I'll probably be making that again. Not sure what we're having tonight. That's a lie. It's something with chicken. I left chicken out. Chicken thighs, I think I left out. So it'll be interesting, to say the least, to get home with my friend living back there again. Got to see how it goes, I guess. It'll be helpful though, because extra money will be very helpful for me. Help me get caught up some. My end game goal is to finally move in with my boyfriend. We live so far apart. I miss him. So, all right, that's it for today. Have a good one, guys. See you at dinner. All right, guys, here's dinner. Move face. Thank you. And also, I got my Teami Tea in the mail today, so that's super cool. I will leave a link down in the description if you would like to get your own and get a discount and help support me. I will get a kickback. You don't have to buy it, but if you are interested in trying it at all, there is a discount in the description. I get new discount codes for it all the time. I got myself the Teami Colon and the Teami Chai. So I've not tried the chai yet or the Teami Colon, but I've had other Teamis and I really like them. So looking forward to trying that. But so I'm having the lemon flavored Teami Colon. I have some ice water, and then this bad boy right here, which is one cup of ground beef seasoned with paprika, salt, pepper, some minced onion, some ground cumin, and chili powder. I fried up 2 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese and then ripped it up into pieces so it's crisp, like nacho chips a little bit. 2 tablespoons of sour cream, a tablespoon of the verde salsa, and then 1 serving of butter lettuce. So I'm excited to try this and get it in my belly. It's been a crazy day, guys. It really has. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. My nose red. Let's see. What do I have for lunch today? I love how people are. All right, this is what I have for lunch today. I have my regular celery that I've had all week with my dip. But the only thing that changed today, this is like almost frozen. Tuna. So 1 package of tuna, or 1 can of tuna, tablespoon of mayo. That's it. And 2 ounces of cheddar cheese. That's all. I'm parked in a different location, so I don't feel comfortable today. Burger meat by just seasoning it like I would season a hamburger. And I put it on top of some lettuce, and I put some mayo, sugar-free ketchup and mustard, and some pickles. Mixed it all up and washing it down with a Teami Tea. If you are interested in Teami Teas, I know, like everybody else, I do have a code in my description box. But hey, I do like the tea for real, and I know a lot of other people do too. So yeah, if you buy it, why not use my code? I'm not telling anybody to buy it, but if you already buy it, use my code. And make this, because this is good if you're craving a cheeseburger.